Hi everybody, my name's Heather Luse and I'm from Delectable Delights in Center Hall. We are a family-run business that we do cakes and things like that out of our house. But today we are pairing with the Center County Library for Tales and Tales, and we are providing you with a cookie decorating kit. And this is what's in the kit. Every kit is going to have 4 mermaid tail cookies, sparkly sprinkles, a bag of blue icing, and a bag of purple icing. Now this icing right here is decorator icing. A lot of times with cookie decorating, you will use royal icing, which hardens. This is going to stay a little bit more soft because it was going to be useful throughout the week. We also have a knife for decorating, and your kit will come with 2 pastry bags. Now, my suggestion is when you get your kit, you want to take the icing and put them into bowls. Now some of the icing may need a little bit of mixing, might be just a little white showing there. You want to go ahead and just stir that up. And now I'm going to show you how to fill your pastry bag. You want to open up your pastry bag at the edge and fold it over like this and create a cup in your hand. Now you can do whatever you want with your cookies. If you have an offset spatula, you could take that to sort of decorate your cookie and just kind of ice it very gently. All we're doing is icing the cookie, and then what I'm going to do is take my purple. Now this is not fancy. I'm going to take my purple. We're going to make the cup with the icing bag. We're going to use our thumb to scrape off. Fold it back over. Squish it down. You're just going to take a scissors and just cut off at the end as far as you want it to go. Now what I'm going to do with my mermaid tail is just do a little piping. Just some little swirls. There's no wrong or right with this. Just have fun. Let the kids do it if you want, or keep it all to yourself. Make some little tails here. And of course, we want to add our sprinkles. Now the other thing you could do is really dip those tails right into those sprinkles. We have a cute little mermaid tail. Now, what I'm going to tell you is mermaid tails are a bit fragile. So you may have an issue when you get your kit that some of the tails may have fallen off. No worries. As you decorate, here we go again, just use your icing to attach the tails. We'll put a little bit on there, dip it in some sugar, attach our tails. Again, this is all just for fun. You can't do anything wrong. We'll just put a little squirrels on there. And you've kind of got a mermaid tail going on there. All right, so most importantly, that's a real quick look at what you're going to get and what you can do. I hope you guys have fun and enjoy your mermaid tail cookie decorating. Thanks.